Hi there, welcome to our channel. So Huawei finally seems to get some relief as far as its smartphone division is concerned. As you already know that US banned American companies from doing business with Huawei on the allegation of spying via its 5G equipment. Well, now it looks like the cloud of US restrictions is slowly lifting from the Chinese phone maker. Recently, Samsung Electronics display unit has received licenses from US authorities to continue supplying certain display products to Huawei. So now Samsung can supply their OLED panels, but that was just the beginning. Now Sony Corp and Omnivision Technologies have been granted US licenses to resume shipping some image sensors to China's Huawei technologies. The report said the license granted to Sony could be limited only to a portion of its product, but things do look better from Huawei's standpoint. Huawei's new Mate 40 series unveiled just last week still uses Sony's image sensor, giving them the world's most advanced and powerful camera systems. And next to Sony and Samsung, the world's third largest CMOS image sensor player is Omnivision. So in addition to Samsung OLED displays, Huawei will be able to keep the powerful image sensors. Now the reason why US is allowing these companies to carry on the business is because these items are considered less related to cyber security concerns. The display and sensors don't affect as much as the processor, especially 5G, that is why Huawei lost TSMC as a chip manufacturer, spelling the end of its Kirin processors. But apparently the Kirin chips are not dead yet, and there is some hope, and the company may not need to sell off its Honor business division just yet either. And last month, Intel Corp said it has received licenses from US authorities to continue supplying certain products to Huawei, though the report did not specify what exactly was covered. So another good news if you are a fan of Huawei is that the Harmony OS is expected to be released to developers as scheduled in December. The public beta should go live in February 2021 for certain devices, most probably the devices from the P40 series. Harmony OS will first become available for Huawei phones with the Kirin 9000 5G SoC. Devices powered by Kirin 990 5G will be part of the second batch. Devices with the Kirin 990 4G, Kirin 985 and Kirin 820 will be part of third batch, following which Kirin 820 and Kirin 980 powered devices will get it, and finally Kirin 810 and Kirin 710 devices will be part of the last batch. The rollout will first happen in China, but we believe Huawei will push it to other markets outside of its home market. So that is all for now. For more such videos, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.